colors. This is our customers in Tanzania. Manoj have already used our machine 4 years. Manoj, how many days you finish this wood drying process?
4 to 5 days it is finished.
Yes, 4 to 5 days finish the drying process. This is Minga wood in Tanzania. Does it very expensive?
Not expensive. Minga is Congo. Congo is 7 days to 8 days. Minga is 4 to 5 days.
Okay, very cool. Very cool. And you have anything you want to say about our machine?
No, machine is very good. No problem.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks for your work. Let's keep in touch. You can see how many the manufacture this. It's by the machine 20 and 22 already 4 years. Yes, 4 years complete, and it's running very well. So, if you want to buy a machine, welcome, follow us. Thank you.